like we're having today is very important because we're trying to rebuild America's workforce.
Kind of gives them an idea of what the real world is going to be all about as a nurse or as a tech or someone like that.
The students ask a lot of great questions as far as what the career opportunities are, the upscaling. It pushes them towards the future and it gives them an idea of the options that are available to them.
It's been an uplifting experience for me to see that my craft will continue to grow.